we'll do a quick review on this replacement poles for my golf net. Comes in two. I'll show you how it looks outside, but I just want to give you how it looks real close. It comes in a lot of little sections. They just fit right into each other. Push it down, it stays in good. And my other pole, my golf net I have for a while, but one of my poles cracked, so I needed a replacement. I picked these up, made really good. That way I can practice on my golf game. But I'll show you how it looks when I'm putting it together. Yeah, once you get the poles outside, you put it together, and it's just go cross each other. It's pretty easy to put it together. This how it looks when it's all done, ready for some golf.